This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes from pancake mix. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need your favorite pancake mix, milk or water, and 1 egg. Don't forget a mixing bowl, a whisk, a non-stick pan, and a spatula. Having everything ready makes the process much easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix the batter. In your mixing bowl, combine the pancake mix with the recommended amount of milk or water and add 1 large egg. Whisk these ingredients together until they are just combined. It's perfectly fine to have a few small lumps. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as everything is incorporated. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are golden brown. Once your pancakes are cooked to perfection, serve them immediately while they are still warm. This is the best way to enjoy their fluffy texture. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream, or any of your favorite pancake accompaniments. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pancakes for a wonderful breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.